Hello everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited that I bring for you guys the latest and mighty the Amazfit T Rex 2. It's a sports watch with the GPS tracking, fitness tracking, etc. Let's open the box real quick and see what's inside. As you can see, it's mentioned dual GPS, low temperature operations, military grade protection, ultra long battery life. Amazfit claims that it has 24 days battery on single charge, so which you will find out after some time of using it. So for now, let's open the box. It's quite tricky. Yeah, it's here. Alright, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here it is, guys. 1 minute. Okay, so here it is, the watch. Up your game. That's very nice branding actually. The watch is packaged very well. It's a rubber one. I think it's the fixed one. We cannot change the straps. I can see some screw over there. But there are 3 colors available, but I like this the most. It's black and gold. Very nice looking and an attractive color. It has 4 buttons inside. Let's open the belt and see the sensor. Okay, here we go. Here it is, the sensor, very nicely covered up with a sticker. Let's peel it out. I think it's about vertical charging. It's not like the rotating charger, I believe. So this is the watch. Let's peel out the main screen protector. Keep it aside. Wow, very nice looking. Meanwhile, what else comes in the box? Let's see now. Okay, where to open? Where? Yes, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Quite a packaging. Let's see what's here. I believe this is a charger. Yes, this is the charger. On the other side, what is there on the other side? Nothing. It's empty. Okay. So the charger is packed very nicely. I can see that it's micro USB. Okay, I was thinking that could be a type C, but no, it's not. Let's open it from here and see what is the charging shape. Okay, so I was assuming before, it's not a round one, it's like vertical charging. Okay, that's nice. Cable quality is very good. Let's see the magnetic power. It's strong. The magnet is quite strong. That's good. Okay, let's keep it aside and it's time to turn on the watch. It's a very nice looking watch, by the way. Okay. Come on. Turn on. Yes, the Amazfit logo appears already, and by seeing the screen I can tell this screen is very nice. It's an AMOLED screen. Okay, Zepp App in English. Okay, this is the barcode for pairing. Let's do pairing. I'll show you guys how to pair this watch with your iPhones. Same goes for Android also. What you have to do, you need to go to your App Store or Play Store, whatever. Okay, search for Zepp App. Then it's there. I already installed it. So just install the app, open it, and then you can see a plus button on the left top corner. Press it, select the watch, allow. Yeah, this barcode we need to scan like this, and here we go. It will automatically detect the watch as you can see it's moving in a circle, something like that. So yes, it's already paired. The confirmation is on the watch. Accept the pairing. I think it's pairing, binding, yeah. Okay. Sorry for that, I got a little flu because of the climate is not good here. I forgot my password now. Okay, so here we are. It's asking some permissions, so I'll allow them. Go for next. Okay, now watch is syncing with my phone, and some guide menu or something like that. Let's skip it, and here we go. The watch is successfully connected with my phone. As you can see, it's showing 88% battery also. Let's quickly go through these settings on the watch. My god, this display is gorgeous. I wasn't expecting this display to be that good, honestly. Where is the back? Okay, the back button is down, so we cannot use the same button to go back as we do with Samsung. The menu is very smooth, no lagging, nothing. Okay, all these settings is there. So let's go to watch faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pre-installed, and all of them are very nice looking, but this one, wow, it's a very beautiful looking watch face, as you can see, especially the animation behind. I like it. But if you want to go with more watch faces, there's always an option. You can check from there. 1 minute. Just allow the notifications for incoming call notification, app alerts. Allow all notification. That will be fine. But please keep in mind, you cannot receive direct calls on this watch. It's just a notification. Whenever someone calls you, you can see a notification pop up, and you're receiving a call. But you need to use your mobile phone. Directly you cannot. So let's go to the settings, brightness. You can control from app itself. The other settings also. Yes, lift to raise, always, all day. I want all day. I liked whenever I lift my wrist, it should display on. Okay. There's other settings. Let's go to watch face. I believe all these are free. I can see there's a lot of watch faces available, and honestly speaking, most of them are pretty good. I didn't see any dumb watch face like some other watches. I will not mention the name, but these ones are very nice and good looking watch faces. Simply just select and sync. Please keep watching, keep support my channel. Need your support, guys. I'll be bringing technical stuff for you guys, latest technology unboxing and some software information as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please give your support. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next one.